Hello, today we will guide you through how to design Beehiiv newsletter. To begin, open Beehiiv and go to your newsletter dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your email content, and it's the starting point for setting up a newsletter design that matches your style and goals. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get oriented so it's easier to follow the next steps smoothly. From there, look to the top left area of the screen and click on New. This is the main entry point for creating a fresh newsletter post. If you're designing a newsletter from scratch or starting a new issue, this is the button you'll use each time. After clicking it, Beehiiv will present a few options for how you want to begin. Next, choose Blank Draft if you want full control over the design and layout. This option is useful when you already have a clear structure in mind and want to build a newsletter piece by piece. Starting with a blank draft gives you flexibility to customize the content, formatting, and overall visual flow exactly the way you want. Alternatively, you can click Template Post instead. This is a helpful option if you'd rather start with a pre-built format. Templates can save time and make the design process easier, especially if you want a polished layout without having to create everything from the ground up. It's a good choice when consistency and speed are important. If you choose the template route, the next step is to select a sample template. Browse through the available options and pick one that fits the type of newsletter you want to create. For example, you might choose a layout that feels clean and minimal, or one that is more structured for regular updates. The sample template gives you a starting framework that you can later tailor to fit your brand and content. Once your template is selected, click Next at the top of the screen. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure provided by Beehiiv. These prompts will guide you through the remaining setup and help you continue shaping your newsletter design. Take your time as you move through each screen and review your choices carefully so the final result reflects the look and feel you want. That's all it takes to begin designing a Beehiiv newsletter. Whether you start from a blank draft or use a template, the process is straightforward and gives you a solid foundation for creating professional email content.